Oh, good morning, good night, good afternoon. Look, it's dark. The stars are out. We've got the boys coming. Even Simon's coming to say hello. She's a bit dark yet. We've got another half an hour till Concrete. It's getting up. Sun's coming out slowly. I got Gregory here now too. And Jarvin. Big Simon, Wayne. We got Lee. We got Dylan. Hey Dill, how you going, mate? Second day in the Concrete. Let's go. All right, we're ready to go. We've got high pins in. We're just waiting for the truck now. It's 6:07. Truck drivers got lost. Oh, look at that. Looks beautiful. And now we can see. Late for your winter breaks. Okay, it's 20 past and we're still waiting. We've seen him driving around, but he can't find the address for some reason. All of us can, but he can't. Oh well, actually too early in the morning. It is Wednesday, it's a hump day. Isn't it? I can hear him coming. All right, Concrete's here. I'll put you on time lapse and see how we go. Wayne just had to speed off and chase the truck driver. Come on, guys.
How do they get lost these days? Don't all the trucks have GPS?
I know. Get your phone out.
Well, Google took me right here.
Yeah. Finally, about 6:30 it is now, and we got the Concrete. And it's a bit dry. And we tried to put some water in it, but it didn't really do much to it, so it was pretty goddamn dry. Straight GP, straight cement in this one, so she's going to go off. No mucking around. But she went in good. Thanks all the boys. Pushing the wheelbarrows. Right, guys, she's in. But she was dry concrete. Wasn't it, Lee? Yeah. Oh, that dude driving around for half an hour getting lost. That's why. Yeah, just put it there. Just, they make too much of a mess, but... No, we're a little bit short still. We need a little bit more here. We're gonna get some more. But we're in. All right. So we had to get a little bit of a plus load. I quoted this job to be about 96 square metres, and it's used 120 square metres worth of concrete. So it's a bit deeper in some spots because of that wet spot over there. Shoot it all up, I suppose. Anyway, we're all good. The boys got enough now. Yeah, buddy. Thanks, Wayne, Simon, Gregory, Levi, Jarvin. Good times. The concrete wasn't so dry this morning. It would have been alright, but that's alright. It will dry quick for us now, so which is a good thing. It is all in. The first truck was dry as, got lost for like a half an hour before he come, but yeah, we're in, but it only took us 2 hours to put in. Okay, I gave a little break down this wall here. I tried to broom a little bit there, but I might just re-broom it again. But yeah, we're getting there. Just saying it's a sprinkle of rain, but we should be right. We should be right. This is looking good. This one's going to be easy as. All right. Hey?
What happened to logo?
You got a flat tyre, yeah. All right, that's all broomed already. Beautiful. We're using a horsehair broom. Wayne's doing this one with the bigger broom. He did it with the horsehair, but we're going to use this one, so he might as well do the whole lot with this one. Looks beautiful, Wayne. Good job, mate. You just missed a bit down there.
Yes.
Someone has to say that. Dylan, come on, start pulling pegs out. Wayne wants pegs out of his way. But you can, yeah. You can actually rip all them pegs out up there. All them ones up there, the green one. You can rip all these ones out. Should be all good. I reckon. But yeah, looking good. My little drain worked out pretty good down there. Had to boom it a bit earlier. Can't really see it, but I'll have to show you after. But the old horsehair broom, oh, looks beautiful. Looks good. Oh, that's all the broom finished bit there. Looks good. Looks good. And what time is it? It's only like 10:30, 11? 11? I said 12. We'll be done. Good shit. Big house. And Lee, you get a trowel and just trowel this chopper mark in, like you did out there. Just so we keep it fresh. Fresh. This beautiful, fresh. Just run that trowel along with the chopper. Looks good. Just charge you this way. Get out of this and just get your back edge and just make it the same colour. You know what I mean? So when we broom it, it looks the same. That's what you want to do. Alright, yeah. Beautiful. Alright, Dylan's packing up all the stuff. You can clean the boxing. Will it come off alright?
Yeah.
I think that's a wax one, that one. Oh yeah. Pretty good.
Always start fucking yourself settled in. And then just never, once you start, just keep nice and steady when you get to the end. See I drop the handle down? It means that it gets the edge.
101. Brooms. Dylan's first broom.
That's it. Settle it in. Yep.
Just drag it back evenly.
Nice and steady. Lift your hand up. That's it. Keep going.
Go faster, yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
But you're trying to brush it.
Yeah, you sort of
You didn't put enough pressure on it.
have a look at this.
Yeah.
That's all right. See where your contact point it was? That means you were too far back.
You'll work it out. It's a perfect spot for you to have a go, that's for sure.
I can't wipe mine on
You want to do that bit again? You look like you missed it a bit. Hey? Yeah. That's better. That's better. Good work. Right, it's before 12 o'clock. And she's done. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm just going to throw some dust around now. On the outside, Dylan's cleaned up everything for me. Good man, Dylan. Yeah. Little labour's getting good. Utah would be proud of you, mate. But yes, beautiful day. Let's go. Like we said, we're going to cut it tomorrow. Vic's going to come at lunchtime and cut it for me, and she'll be done. Okay, it's 12:15, and we've all packed up now. Dill's done my trailer for me. I'm going to do it with the wheelbarrows. That's it. We're going to put the wheelbarrows on. Make sure them toolboxes are closed. But yeah, we're all done. Hope you've enjoyed the full-on setup and the pool. Well, that was my first job with my license. My first job I've done with my license. I've concrete for 30 years, but I've done it for everyone else. And I've done a lot of jobs for myself, but for other people. But I've never actually done it on my own license. So this is my first one. So I'm pretty happy with myself. I'm pretty happy with everyone that helped. Turned out beautiful. So let's move on to the next one. If you've got a big job or any sort of job you need done, give us a yell. I'm willing to travel. If it's big enough, I'll travel. I might be going down to Orange in a couple of months to do a really big one. So you know where Orange is, I'll travel that far. So I'll travel anywhere. The money's right, the job's right, I'm right. See you next time. See you, Dill. Good work, buddy. Second day concreting for him. Woohoo. All right, we're done. We'll see you next time. Have fun. See you next one.